Friday, April 22nd, back at the computer, and took a trade here. Well, let me give you a time frame before I get into it. About 12:15 in the afternoon, moving back to the 5-minute chart. Took a trade right here at this candle. I liked inflection point. Wasn't sure it was going to be the bottom, but I only took 500 shares of TQQQ. I got a pop here. I was up about $100, maybe $90 at this level. I'll use my cursor. I was there. I was up about 90 at 43.32, but I held. And this felt like a bottom down here. So right here at 42.74, I went in another 2,000 shares. Got out my 2,000 shares, leaving me the 500 I originally started with, which I'm currently in now. The trade is up. Oh, let's see. The trade is up $200 right now. Would have been up just a little bit more than that if I had been paying attention instead of filming this video. And I probably would have taken my profits. I'll put that on the sell. One of the things I'm not familiar with is trying to video and trade at the same time, and I got too caught up in this. I would have taken that at 43. So let's see what happens here. We might be into some consolidation. Just take a right and look at the 15-minute chart. Boom, nice drop there. That's where we are on the 15-minute chart. Moving back left, of course, there's the clock. We're at 12:20 almost, 12:19. And back to the 5-minute chart. What's left of this trade is up $50 on the 500 shares, bringing my total trade up to 160 currently. And I do feel kind of crummy that I didn't take that while I was talking to the camera. That was definitely a point I should have been doing that. And I probably would have had, I don't know, $220. Let's see what happens here, though. We might get a bounce off my entry area, or my average price. My average price, I should say. Typically where larger trading areas where there's a lot of activity between traders, buyers and sellers, price will return. I think I discussed that in my video from yesterday. Price will return to those areas just to make sure that the people who want to buy are buying. There could be orders that are unfilled at that area, and price will get back there and give people a chance to execute their trades or execute the trades that are still active, or to get into new trades, maybe use it as a place to jump off from. You can see price after it hit that level I'm at. I think I'm at, what's the exact price I'm at? 42.74. So price went right down to that red line and is snapping up quite nicely, getting a nice boost. I'm glad I held my 500 shares. Profit is at 435 on this trade right now. Sorry for the moving camera. I'm not a great cameraman. I'm not into all this video stuff. This is really the first time I've ever done any videos is for this channel over the past month or so. So I'll keep you on camera while I make a decision on whether I'm going to get out of this trade or not and just take my profit and run. It feels like it might be a day where I could get a little more if I held, rather than taking profits at the exponential moving average, which is often a place where I do it. I feel it's safe. I'm really in risk control move. And that's mainly because the reason I quit trading about 15 months ago, was a risk-related loss on one day. Lost about 20% of my entire 4-month take in one day. It was a stupid move. I was using leverage where I shouldn't have been, and but that's another story for another day. So I am watching my risk more closely, and it seems to be paying off. My gains are much smaller than they used to be, of course, but I feel better about it. And if I feel better about it, I'm going to keep coming to the computer every day and doing it. Looks like there's significant resistance right here at this level, this 01, 02 level. Let's see what happens. Back over to the 15-minute chart. And to the 5-minute chart. Just to let you know, to verify what I am trading. There we are, TQQQ. I happen to be using a 15-day 5-minute chart. These are some of the stocks I watch, the ETFs, the leveraged ETFs. That's my oil and gas. This is my trade list. And here are the indexes I watch to keep an eye on. There's my level 2. I really don't use that much, except for watching the bid and ask price. And moving back to the 5-minute chart. It looks like we're finding some support here and getting a little pop. So maybe I'll sell it here. Let's see. We're going to have a change of candle shortly. I think I'll wait till the change of 5-minute candle. A lot of times some interesting things will happen. Not always good, but interesting nonetheless. Let's see what happens at the change of candle. That's coming right up. 58, 59, 12.25. Okay. You can see price is getting a little snappy there. Getting some quick moves. Look at it. Look at it. Maybe a little patience here. A little patience. Definitely a lot of overhead resistance. Look at it, hits that level and just falls back away from it. Really hoping for a push through. Maybe my persistence will be rewarded. All right, there's a little something. A little something. Another push up, I'll take it. There we go. And we're out at 43.11. Total gain on this trade is, let's see if I can find it on my left here, looking over. Where is it? Okay, 290 and 30 cents. So call it 290. So up 290 so far, and not bad for about 12-15 minutes work. Anyway, we'll keep an eye open for some other opportunities.